while.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
It should say it. So, I mean,
yeah, I know.
Display and all this crap up there.
Right?
Isn't necessary. All right, sweetie. Left turn signal, please. All right, right. Good. Cancel. Step on the brake. Keep the horn.
Ooh.
You doing a hand signal?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right, left, stop, slow.
Left turn signal again. Right.
All right. Show me the emergency brake or parking brake.
Emergency brake down here. Do you want me to put it on? Okay. On, off.
Okay. The headlight control.
Right over here.
The defroster.
Right here.
The windshield wipers.
Right over here.
And the flashers.
Emergency flashers right here.
Okay. Alright, so you're going to be evaluated on your ability to drive safely and skillfully in different driving situations.
Okay.
Perform all maneuvers only if it's safe. I'm going to be riding. It doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong.
Okay.
There's no tricks. If I tell you to pull over in the red zone, just pull over in the red zone.
Okay.
We're not parking, so it doesn't matter.
Gotcha.
And lastly, you can make 15 errors. It's still a passing score, but one critical driving error and the test would end. That's something dangerous or unsafe, okay?
If I did one of those, would you tell me immediately, or do you kind of just...
No, we'll just start heading back to the DMV.
Okay. Gotcha. And sign here.
Yeah. Because some people get pretty upset when you tell them that they didn't pass.
That's funny, because I would be less nervous, like, okay, it's over, I can relax now. You are.
Alright, so if you don't have any questions, then we can begin.
Yep, I think I'm good.
Alright.
Okie dokie, I think I can start.
Are you too close to the wheel?
This is how I usually do it. I guess I'm a little hunched over, but it's comfortable for me.
Yeah, but when you brake, don't you have to pick your foot up?
Not, well, I don't know. I think
it amazes me because I've always driven my leg is like perfectly straight and all I do
Really?
is move my ankle.
I feel like sometimes if they're too far away, I don't get a good, like, feel of the brake pedal. That makes no sense, but anyway.
Well, if you start making me do this, then I'll know you're too close.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so straight out. You can close your window if you like.
Okay.
We don't need it open for the test.
Right.
And we're going to go straight out of the parking lot and
Gotcha.
just follow the signs.
Okay. Red area?
Actually, past the red area is fine. Right here.
Right here. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Is this okay?
Yep.
Okay.
I'd like you to back straight up. Just follow the curve.
Gotcha.
Alright, so I want you to get back in traffic.
Sun is offensive.
You always gotta bring your sunglasses.
That's true. Well, I wear glasses, but like they're not transition lenses, so I can't exactly put glasses over my glasses.
Well, you could. The old ladies do it.
Oh, that's right. You know, they
change lanes to the left.
You don't, trust me.
Oh, it's kind of hard at my age not to, but we're going to turn left at the light.
Gotcha.
Did you have a license before?
No, I've never had one. I kind of messed myself up by not getting one after high school. I went straight to college in the Bay Area, so there wasn't really use having one there because you take the bus everywhere, so
Right.
waited a little too long. But
But you didn't have an ID either.
I have an ID,
because
because I need that, but no license.
you got that pretty recently too, right?
I got that right before I left for college, so like 4-ish years ago.
Oh wow, they were still in letter Y.
Oh, I don't know what the significance of that is, but I guess that's pretty recent, huh?
Yeah, well then we're still using Ys
Gotcha.
right now, but I didn't know when they started using them, but apparently they've been using them for a while.
Yeah, a little while. Got it right before.
I mean, they just literally just tick off the next
Gotcha.
number. So yours was like the 300. Nope, the 3
Gotcha.
millionth.
Oh my gosh.
ID number. At the next corner, we're going to turn right.
Okay. Right up here?
Yes, ma'am. Watch. Okay. He was just going way too fast.
Yeah, he was. I had my foot on the brake and I'm like, looking at both ways. Yeah, they're supposed to follow the rules of the road just like
They are,
cars,
right.
but
They do not.
straight still?
Yep.
Okay.
At this corner, we're going to turn right. At the signal, turn left. Up ahead here, we're going to merge to the right and make a right turn.
slow.
You live in Davis?
No, I've never really been over here actually. The person I'm borrowing the car from. Person I'm borrowing the car from works over here, and I guess it was just simple for her to turn right.
Yeah. Yeah, it's Bike Hill here.
Yeah, that's kind of what I've heard.
I mean, every single street has a bike lane.
Yeah, that's a little insane, but looks like they make it work for the most part. I see they have lights that are just dedicated to bikes.
Yeah, there's a little stoplight with a bike in it. Turn right at this corner. Turn left. It's a four-way.
Oh, okay, awesome. Oh, okay. Streets around here are very different from where I live. Continuing straight.
Mm-hmm. Turn right at the corner. Turn left. Sorry.
No, no problem. I have plenty of time.
Yeah, it's a boring job.
Oh, could be worse. I mean, I work with middle schoolers and they're kind of crazy.
I actually want to be a trainer for the DMV, where you train employees on how to, because nobody knows how to work for the DMV until you do.
Yeah,
So
that's
every job you get, you have to train for.
interesting. And so is that like, you would train most positions or like this position?
I need to train just about all positions.
Wow.
But yeah, that I could do. It's just that, I mean, there are some LREs that people that do this job that they don't speak at all to the applicants.
Oh, okay.
I just like,
I like making small talk. I am very much a talker.
yeah, some people you can talk to while they're taking the test, and others you can't because they just completely cannot do
Yeah, I think talking makes me less nervous, so
Yeah.
that's what I tend to do.
But you also know how to drive.
I mean, I think I could definitely use a lot more practice. I've been doing this for like 4 or 5 years now, but
Yeah, but the rest of your life is practice driving, you know?
that's true. That is true.
It just never ends.
Right.
We're going to turn left at the light.
Okay. people tend to get like road rage here at the DMV, or are they everyone's pretty much on their best behavior?
As far as the driving?
Yeah. I know my cousin who took her driver's test, someone was honking at her as she was waiting to exit, and I was like, oh my goodness, people are a little impatient.
People don't care. I mean, I've had people take the drive test thinking they knew how to drive, and so they were just going to show me how well they drive.
Oh.
I had this young boy that he was like a nightmare. He was just a menace on the road. And
really?
And then he got so angry when I had to tell him he didn't pass. He stormed out of the DMV like,
Lord,
just,
mercy.
I mean, he tore butt out of the parking lot, like really dangerously.
How does someone expect to pass like that? I don't understand.
Well, he's a boy, first of all, stupid.
True.
Turn left into the DMV, into the turn lane. Don't leave your butt sticking out.
Yeah,
No. You just go forward if you had to, but yeah,
okay.
Good.
Kind of a narrow entrance.
It's a weird, and
it'll scrape, huh?
A little bit.
This way? Or
to the left. But the lane is not really conducive to making a left turn there. It's a really
that comes up pretty quick, right?
Yeah, and it narrows really quickly. So
yeah, it really does.
It's not good, but it is what it is. You did fine. Pull into one of these last two spots on the left. Coming up. Let's see, so you got no complaints. Turn a little bit slower. You just make them a little too fast.
Okay.
And 90% of the time that's not an issue.
Gotcha.
And maybe it's just because we're in Davis and there's so many people.
Yeah, I need to get used to the
bikers and just people crossing the street.
True.
You know, so. Plus it's just the best. I always believe that the tires should be moving at the same speed as your wheel.
That's a good tip.
Because the faster your tires are going, the quicker you got to turn that wheel, and vice versa.
True.
So I like to just kind of keep them in balance.
That's a good way to think about it.
Alright, so 1, 2, 3. Unnecessary stop. You kind of rolled through a stop sign.
Oh, okay.
The second one here. Oh, and this one too. You rolled through it. You stopped for you paused. You didn't stop. But, and
person I'm borrowing.
You paused past the line. But this also was there was that guy on the bike, Mr. Speedo.
Yes.
And in a situation like that, I would probably not merge into the bike lane because you knew he was coming up.
Okay.
And you kind of not leaving him anywhere to go.
Yeah, that's what I was a little hesitant there. I was like, I think I'm well enough in front of him, but he's obviously going to come up in a second, so I'm like...
Yeah, so, it's, like I said, you practice the rest of your life. So.
Yeah, that's true.
Alright.
Awesome. Okay. So I did not fail today.
You did not. You passed with flying colors.
I had people betting on me failing.
Oh, wait, then we're going to show them, aren't we? I usually write this for the younger folks. You're pretty young compared to me.
I'll take it. I like it.
I you could say to you, for fail, I got a good job, okay? Not everybody gets a good job.
That's exactly what I'm going to show them.
Alright, so you go to window number 8 where you checked in.
Gotcha.
And they will issue you a license.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Take care, sweetie.
You too.